Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will talk about many questions that came to us and many are answered also, but I decided to create a video where I will answer all the questions one by one, okay, so that you are clear about a specialist vacancy round. So this specialist vacancy round as of sudden came as very surprise because it came in the middle of preparation, so the candidates who are not able to prepare well as they have planned, they can go for a specialist vacancy round also, because in this round those seats which were already taken and the candidate didn't join, okay, those seats will be available in government DNB and diploma. In deemed universities, as per my knowledge, there will be very few clinical seats left over, and you can expect many non-clinical seats. So you can call us on this number 9319128677. We are available over call and WhatsApp both, okay. You can also join our Telegram group. The description has its link, okay. And our paid counseling service window is open for 23, and you can avail it from now. It will give you so much of benefit because we will help you throughout the application process, all the queries, and we can also support you in your preparation with the help of some of our doctors and previous batch candidates, okay. You can subscribe the channel, and we support you in the counseling for INCT. On 6th we will get the result for round 2, and then whenever we get the application form, all such support and updates. So first question, fresh registration allowed or not? It was very basic question. See, they have not published a detailed notification about it, but in the schedule is clearly mentioned that they will open the payment portal or payment window from 6th, and it will be available up to 8th. There is no mention of fresh registration, and I'll tell you one thing, this special stray vacancy round will get conducted on the same rules and regulation of stray vacancy round. In a stray vacancy round there was no fresh registration, okay, because any stray vacancy round, whether it's special or just a stray vacancy round, they are getting connected just to fill the unfilled or unoccupied seats, okay. So there is no fresh registration, it's clear, no registration will be allowed. You have got the seat, okay, but have not reported, okay. So you think that you don't have any seat in hand, whether you will be allowed to attend the stray vacancy round. Then you have to recall like whether you were eligible for stray vacancy round. No. So you need if you have got the seat and you got the seat allotted, and then you are not allowed to attend the specialist vacancy round. Join the college and then you want to leave that seat because you didn't like the branch and want to participate in the counseling so that you get a desired branch, okay. It's not allowed, because once you get the seat, whether you joined or not, okay, you can't attend the special stray vacancy round. Next question, register for government colleges by paying like 26,000 for general category, which includes 1,000 registration and 25,000 refundable security deposit. Can I change it to deemed universities? Because there are candidates who didn't have the plan to go for deemed university. Now they can go for deemed universities because they have like a paying capacity now. So see, we have to wait and see. It's not mentioned anywhere, but there is a less chance, okay, that it will be allowed. But you have to see in the further notification, or you can ask them, okay, because it was not allowed in stray vacancy round, they may not allow in special stray also. Do I need to pay the security deposit again? It was never mentioned that you have to pay that again. They mentioned it payment window, okay, because many candidates just do the registration and they didn't participate in the counseling considering many regions. Okay, so they will be allowing the security deposit payment for those candidates, but in case you already paid, then they will notify whether you have to pay again or not. As of now, it is not clear. Mostly they won't ask you to pay again because the refund cycle has not started. Nobody got the refund, and if they already have taken your money, okay, then why to pay again? In case somebody had got the refund, then the candidate who already got the refund, it makes logic for them to ask them to pay again, but the cycle has not started. Okay, so they will not ask you to pay again. If they ask to pay the security deposit again, then what will happen to previous deposit? See, any single penny they take, it goes to government of India. Okay, so they will refund it. You don't have to ask them. Even you ask them multiple times, they will refund as per their terms and condition only in their own time. They take a lot of time in refund. Okay, it may take like 3 months, maybe full January month, or if you don't get in January month, then in February. Okay, but they will refund it, so you don't need to worry about the security deposit. So what about the seat matrix? Seat matrix is not released, but many seats are vacant, clinical as well as non-clinical, in government colleges, DNB hospitals, and NB diploma seats also. But coming to deemed universities, there will be good number of seats will be available in non-clinical subjects or paraclinical, but you can expect hardly seats in clinical subjects, because during the stray vacancy round, most of the seats got allocated because they negotiate with the tuition fee. In case NRI seats, they make it normal seat and they give it to the candidates. Okay, so if you are targeting good clinical subjects, then you need to have good rank. Okay, in case you didn't participate in the counseling, you had rank of like under 30,000, and you didn't expect like your dream branch coming, so you didn't waste your time, you went ahead with the preparation, then in that case you can expect good clinical subjects. Okay, but if your rank is not good, then your chance of getting good clinical subject will depend on the seat vacancy in the deemed universities, and based on your luck also. Okay, so we'll keep you posted further updates related to a specialist vacancy round, and you can contact us on this number. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.